Okay, we talked about how previously, if the compression zone is in a flange, there's no difference between a T-beam and a rectangular beam except for AS min. Now we're going to talk about when the compression zone goes into the web like here, okay? And it's really rare. And in this case, you must use the two basic equations, T equals C, solve for A. And we're going to do M instead of T times Z, we're going to do C times Z and sum because the compression zone will have two pieces to it. And so let me explain that. So basic equilibrium is sum fx, including external, internal equals 0, sum m equals 0. And how do these change for a T-shaped compression zone? Okay, so all we're going to do is force is stress times area. So here's the concrete stress. And we need the concrete area. And because it's properly designed, the steel will be yielded. And that's the steel area. Okay, and so the only difference is that this area, instead of a rectangle, is now the area of a T shape. Okay, so break the T into two sections or two rectangles. So let me outline this. Okay, so we have that brown rectangle and the white rectangle, and get that area in terms of A. So and use T equals C and solve for A. And so, so for example, in this case, let's say that's B flange, call that area 1 and area 2. So T, is FYAS, but C is 0.85 F prime C. Okay, the area of the brown rectangle, B flange times H flange. And the area of the white rectangle is A minus the H flange, that's the height of the white rectangle, times B web, because this width is B web. And the unknown in here, you do T equals C, that's the unknown, and you just solve for A. How the moment equation changes once A is known, we're going to take moments around the steel centroid, and so you just need to get Z to the centroid of the brown rectangle and Z to the centroid of the white rectangle, and it's just a matter of geometry. You can do that, and remember we've already solved for A, so we can get all the dimensions of the white and brown rectangles, and you can do this. Okay, so next, in the next video, I'm going to talk about what do you do with beams, with slabs poured monolithically. Can you see that that looks like it's made up of T-beams? And so we'll talk about that in the next video.